Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming your carrier voicemail is active and that you know any account PIN. This avoids lockouts. Once that's set, open the phone app and go to the dialer or voicemail tab so you're in the right place. Make sure visual voicemail is enabled if available, because that simplifies greeting setup and playback. You're taking these steps now to reach the voicemail system directly. They prevent interruptions later and let you record without extra troubleshooting. Next, tap Record Greeting or Setup and choose Custom so you control the message. This ensures callers hear your preferred information. Speak slowly and state your name and a concise reason or callback instructions. Aim for 20 to 30 seconds to keep it professional. Use a quiet room and hold the phone 6 to 12 inches from your mouth for clean audio, then preview the recording. Once you hear it clearly, save it. This step gives callers the right expectations and reduces repeat calls. Finally, save the greeting and adjust notification settings so you're alerted correctly. Choose whether messages appear in visual voicemail or require dial-in retrieval. Once saved, make a test call from another phone to confirm volume, clarity, and any PIN prompts so you know what callers experience. If you run into issues, restart the phone first, then verify carrier voicemail settings or reset the voicemail PIN if you can't access it. These final checks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.